Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I just talked to the contractors, and they're doing some work for AT&T running internet line. Just setting power poles. Doesn't look like they're putting up new ones all the way down the road. Well, must be they're going through and changing out some of the power poles, putting up new ones. He said the power pole that leads to our house is going to be bypassed with the internet line. They're going to leave the power line there because it's got power on it. Ours is the only one here in the area that's got power on it. Kind of cool. Finally got the porch roof done. New gutters up. The only thing left to do is put the lens on the yard light, but it's raining right now, so I'm not going to get into that. AT&T is out front of the house. They've got big augers to set power poles. And what they said they were doing is putting an extra pole next to the old pole out by our maple tree in the front. He said he didn't know why, but somebody either had a complaint or something. And they wanted to put a new pole there. So, okay, that's fine. It's not hurting anything. He didn't do anything in our yard. They've went along and marked everything for Miss Dig and had it set up so that they could go through. And I was wondering if they were running a gas line underneath the yard, or if, Lydia was thinking maybe it was running sewer. I had no idea, so I went out and asked them. They said AT&T, they hired them as contractors for doing underground work. Looks like they're not doing anything underground. They're just setting a power pole there. And the guy said it's only going to be for internet. It's going to be AT&T line run down through there. The power poles along this road are kind of funny because the power is actually on the other side of the road, and it has to cross over the road. And we have one pole in the east side of our driveway out by the road that feeds both our house and the house next door to us. So they're not doing anything that's going to bother me. I just was curious what was going on. They've got a nice little thing to set power poles, though. It's an auger, and that's all it does. It drills holes for power poles. kind of an interesting thing. So that's what's going on here at Old Sneelock's workshop. They're just having fun out front. Of course, the minute I walked out there, it started raining. Alexa said that they were going to have rain today between noon and 1 o'clock.
Now, stopping in about 5 minutes.
There she is. She just said it's stopping in about 5 minutes. So it's pretty precise. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.